Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Yo, 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 yo. Wagwan, wagwan. Chef Young right here. Alright guys, today is Sunday. And guess what I feel for my Sunday dinner? Some good old Jamaican stew peas with beef and pigtail. So right here, I have 2 pounds of pigtail that I cut up and leave overnight to soak in some water just to get some of that salt out. Also, roughly about a pound of stewing beef and 2 cups of small red beans that I leave overnight to also soak in some water just to make the cooking process a little easier, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water of the peas and put some fresh water. Now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of pimento seeds, also 4 cloves of garlic that I take my knife and actually press just to release the flavor. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cover my pot and allow my peas to cook about halfway before I add the meat. Also, I'm gonna place my pigtail to boil for about 10 minutes just to get rid of some more of that salt. Alright, so I'm just gonna test my peas. As well as I'm saying, we're just gonna cook the peas halfway, then add the meat and cook it some more, right? So I'm going in with my beef. Also gonna add my pigtail. Trust me guys, this is one of my favorite recipes. As a child growing up, whenever my mom used to say she's cooking stew peas, trust me, it come like one of the best day for me, right? I'm so excited when my mom telling me that she's cooking stew peas. Cause me I want to look at food when time I grew up, you know. That's why I'm so fat. You see me I say? Look, yo, trust me, this nice. Now I'm gonna cover my pot and allow my meat to cook. After cooking for about an hour and a half, I'm now going in with my 100% cream coconut. And you can also use the tin coconut milk, or you can use the coconut powder, right? It doesn't matter, you get the same effect. Alright, and I'm just gonna cover my pot and allow the coconut milk to cook for about 10 minutes. So right here, I have 3 stalks of spring onion, some thyme, and a scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting up my spring onion. And for my scotch bonnet pepper, I'm just gonna go ahead and just put a slice in it. Just release some of that flavor. So right here, I already made some dough off camera to make some dumpling rolls for the stew peas. I'm just gonna go ahead and start making my dumpling rolls. And I don't think I'm gonna use all this flour, right? Because this is a lot of flour. And it doesn't matter how much dumpling roll you wanna make, right? If you wanna make more, you can go ahead and make more in yours. Why you had to fall back? Now I'm a soldier on the front line and I'm ready to attack. 'Cause I've been missing every moment, even the days we left behind. Alright, so after finish making my dumpling rolls, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my spring onion.
Yeah, I was good, how I give you all my patience. Didn't think that you were given to temptation. I was wrong.
My scotch bonnet pepper and my thyme. I'm just gonna go ahead and stir that a bit. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of steak seasoning. I'm just gonna mix that all together. Guys, trust me, this is smelling amazing. You smell the coconut milk, and you smell the pigtail and the beef and everything just fused together. It smells so good. Alright, so now I'm going in with 60 grams of butter, and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Alright, so look at it. This is how it's looking, and this is the consistency that you need, right? The richness. Look how beautiful this look. Trust me, this bad with white rice, man, I tell you. Nice. Alright, so you have the finishing product right here. Oh, look. Look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright, as you can see right here, I'm serving mine with some white rice, some mixed vegetable, and some ripe plantain fry. Jesus, yo, this bad wicked Sunday dinner, this, trust me. One of the best Sunday dinner you could ever have. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of taste test for y'all. Look how beautiful this look. Look at it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you another close-up. Look at it. Isn't that amazing? Trust me. Wow. Wow. This is awesome. Trust me. Alright. Here what? I'm gonna taste some of the rice now with the stew. Right? You see that? Sell off. It done. Trust me. This bad.
Why you had to fall back? Now I'm a soldier on the front line, and I'm ready to attack. 'Cause I've been missing every moment, even the days we left behind.